Welcome to our channel. That name is Guruji. We will discuss chapter number 7. The name is coordinate geometry. Let us start this chapter. What is the meaning of these words? First of all, I am writing abscissa or x-axis. What is the meaning? X-axis, always you will get the horizontal line. Horizontal line is called the x-axis and second name is abscissa, and the ordinate line is the vertical line and the second name is y-axis or x-axis. So that means if you have the combination of abscissa and ordinate makes the coordinate. Coordinate, that means you can understand there are two lines. One line is the horizontal line, second line is vertical line, where is intersecting point, that is called the origin. Coordinate of origin 0 0, and the first value always represent x and second value represent the y. We will discuss about the distance formula. About distance formula. Distance formula. Before starting distance formula, you can understand what is the meaning. Distance formula, that means you have to find out the distance between the 2 points. Suppose this point P and that point Q, and the first value is P coordinate x1 y1 and the Q coordinate x2 and y2. So by the help of the formula you can find out the value of PQ, distance. So what is the formula here? Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. If you know the value x1, x2, y1, y2, then you can find out the value of PQ. So that is the concept of this topic. So question first, find the distance between the pairs of points 2, 3, 4, 1. Solution, let P 2, 3 and Q 4, 1 be the given points. So we have x1 means first value, x1 equal to 2, y1 equal to 3, x2 value second, x2 equal to 4 and y2 equals to 1. Okay, we know that distance formula PQ equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. I think you can understand. There are 2 points, first value x1, second value y1, third value x2 and fourth value y2. We have the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 square. Putting the value and solve this one. Value of x2, how much? x2 equal to 4 minus x1 value is 2, 4 minus 2 whole square plus value of y2 is 1 minus y1 value is 3 whole square. 4 minus 2, that means 2 square, and 3 minus 1 is 2, and big number is negative sign, so you can write plus and minus 2 whole square. Now you can solve. 2 to the 4 or 2 to the 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Now you can write 2 root 2. The distance between the 2 points PQ equals to 2 root 2. So your answer is 2 root 2. Check whether 5 minus 2, 6, 4 and 7 minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. In this question, we have the 3 vertices and we have to find out the, if you have the 2 equal sides, suppose AB equal to BC or BC equal to CA, so then you can say it is the isosceles triangle, and by the help of the by the distance formula you can find out the distance. If they are equal, then you can say it is isosceles triangle. I think you can understand. Look at this on the board. Here solution, let A 5 minus 2 comma B 6 4 and C 7 minus 2 are given points are given points. We know that distance formula AB. So that means under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus by 2 minus by 1 whole square. First of all, we will find out the value of AB. Now you can see AB. How to find out AB? That means the first value. AB, coordinates AB, A coordinates 5, minus 2 and B coordinates 6, 4. So we will take the first B point. So x2 minus x1, that means 6 minus 5 whole square plus 4 minus and minus 2 whole square. I think you can understand. Here it is the negative sign, so you have to use the small bracket, and after that you big bracket. Solving this one, 6 minus 5 is 1 square plus 4 minus plus 4 plus 2 whole square. Okay, now solving here, 1 square is 1, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 6 is 36. That is meaning under root 37. The value of AB is 37. Now you can find out the next value, BC. Under root x2 minus x1. So we will take the BC, that means first of all you will take the C and second one is B. So 7 minus 6 whole square, and the next value is the value of by 2 is minus 2 and minus sign also, and you can put minus 4 whole square. After putting the value, you have to solve this one. 7 minus 6 is 1 square and plus 4 plus 2 is 6, and both number negative, and so you can write minus 6 whole square. Solving, you will get 1, 6 is 36, and that means it is 37. Value of BC is 37. Now you can see AB equal to 37 and BC equal to under root 37, both are equal. So from first and second, AB equal to BC. Hence, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. That is proved. Find the value of y for which the distance between the points P2 minus 3 and Q10, y is 10 units. In this question given, क्या दिया है? P value and Q. Coordinates of P and Q are given and distance equal to 10 unit. We have to find, what is the value we have to find? Value of y, means by 2 value. How to solve? Look at this one. Solution, let P 2, minus 3 and Q 10, y are given points such that PQ equal to 10 units. This one is given. Now we know that distance formula PQ equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus by 2 minus by 1 whole square. Okay, now you can put the value. In this question, we have to put the value x1 by 1, x2 and by 2 and value of PQ. PQ value is 10. So you can write 10 is equal to x2 minus x1. x2, value of x2 is 10. 10 minus x1 means 2 and whole square plus as it is value of by 2 is by. So value of by 2 is by, you have to write minus sign as it is, and value of by 1 is minus 3, you can write in bracket and whole square. This one is complete. 10 as it is. Now you can write 10 minus 2, it's 8 square plus by minus minus plus by plus 3 whole square. After opening the bracket, 8 square means 64 and plus a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a means by square and 2ab. So 2 as it is, 2 3 is 6 plus 6y and 3 3 is 9. So this one is completed. Now you can write 10 is equal to 64. So you can write the equation by square as it is plus 6y and 64 plus 9 plus 73. Okay friends. Now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So 10 square how much? 100 equal to squaring. So you can remove the root sign. By square plus 6 by and plus 73. Now you can write 0 equal to by square plus 6y and plus 73 and minus 100. This number is positive and so it converts into the negative sign. 0 as it is and y square plus 6y and 100 minus 73, that means 27. Big number is negative. Or you can write y square plus 6y minus 27 equal to 0. By using the splitting method, 27 1 ja 27, 9 3 ja 27, 9 minus 3 6. So you can write y square plus 9y minus 3y minus 27 is equal to 0. देखें फर्स्ट जो आपकी टर्म है वो वही है सेम बाय स्क्वायर, लास्ट टर्म माइनस 27 वही है. मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग मेथड, मिडिल टर्म को हमने इस तरीके से स्प्लिट किया है कि मल्टीप्लाई करने पर क्या मिले हमें 27, तो 9 3 है 27 और सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पर क्या मिले प्लस 6y, तो ये 6y. ओके बाय कॉमन, सो बाय प्लस 9 माइनस 3 कॉमन बाय और माइनस में से माइनस कॉमन लिया तो प्लस, सो बाय प्लस 9 and by minus 3 equal to 0. You can write by plus 9 equal to 0 and by minus 3 equal to 0. So your answer minus 9 and by equal to 3. Hence possible value of by minus 9 and 3. That is your answer. So, okay friends, find a relation between x and y such that the points x, y is equidistant from the points 3, 6 and minus 3, 4. There are two coordinates are given. We have to make a relation between x and y. That means we have to find the one equation. How to solve? Look at this part. Solution. Let the points p, x, y be equidistant from points A 3, 6 and B minus 3, 4. In this question we have coordinates and we have to make the relation. Relation is how to solve. So they are equidistant. So you can write AP equal to BP. Squaring both sides. So you can write AP square equal to bp square, squaring both sides. I think you can understand. Now, value of AP, that means you have to apply the distance formula. Distance formula, that means you have to apply here x minus 3 whole square plus by minus how much? 6. Okay, and equal to BP, value of B minus 3 and 4. So first one, x minus and value minus 3, you can write, and whole square plus by minus 4 whole square, and by using distance formula. Okay friends, you can understand. Here, opening the bracket, a minus b whole square, a square plus minus 2ab, so 2 3 is 6, 6x or 3 3 is 9 plus by square, and 6 2 is 12 minus 12y, and 6 6 is 36. I think you can understand. A minus b whole square, 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 you can open, and after solving you will get this one. Here it is x plus 3 whole square, minus plus, a minus b whole square, by square, 2ab, 4 2 is 8, 8 by, and 4 4 is 16. So this one is complete. Here x square plus y square minus 6x minus 12y, and 9 plus 36 is equal to 45. Similarly here x square, 3 2 is 6x, and 3 3 is 9 plus y square minus 8y, and plus 16. After solving, this equation is as it is, there is no changes. 45 and x square plus y square plus 6x and minus 8y, and 16 plus 9 is 25. So both sides we have the x square, and sign is same, so you can cancel, and y square also cancel. So x square and y square cancel. So we have minus 6x as it is, and 6x you can transfer in left hand side, so plus convert is minus. So minus 6x minus 12y as it is, and this minus 8y come in left hand side, so plus 8y. This one negative, so it can be positive. Plus 45 as it is, and minus 25 equal to 0. So minus 6 minus 12x, and 12 minus 8, so minus 4y. Okay, and 45 minus 25, so that means plus 20 is equal to 0. And this equation is divisible by 4. Divide by 4, so minus 3x and minus y, and 4 5 is 20 is equal to 0. Or you can write 3x multiply by negative sign, minus 3x to plus, and plus y, and minus 5 is equal to 0. This is your relation. So you can write your answer is 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. So I think you can understand. Okay, you have to put the value, and after solving you will get the equation 3x plus y minus 5. This is your required relation, 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. So thank you very much for watching this video.